Welcome to Andi-Co Australia. Today we're going to be talking about the Falcon Professional Plus 90cm Induction upright range, available in black and stainless steel with chrome trim. Now, Falcon has been manufactured in the UK in Leamington Spa since 1830, and we still manufacture on that site today. One of the things that's very important to us as a company is the heritage, and what we do is we stick to the heritage with our classic range and our elans, etc. With the professional, what we've done was we've actually stuck to the professional style but given it a more modern look. So first of all, we'll have a look at this unit. So down in the back here, you'll notice that there's actually a venting system. Each one of these oven cavities is rear vented, which means that any excess heat or steam is actually vented up through those vents and out through the range hood and out to atmosphere, rather than across the top of the oven into the kitchen and into us, which can be quite uncomfortable. Now, moving forward, we have our induction cooktop. Now, this is G5 or Generation 5 induction, and this is a shot Saran glass cooktop, and it has 5 induction zones. Now, the good thing about this is we can actually be boosting on 1 or 2 zones, but the other zones we still can have at cooking level. This unit consumes 62 amps when we've got the cooktop on full, when we're grilling and when we're using both ovens, so very, very efficient. Moving forward and having a look at the control panel, obviously the control panel here is for the cooktop and the oven, and over on the right hand side we have a minute minder and a forward programming clock. Now, this clock is designed to operate the left-hand oven, and it means that we can actually operate in thinking about timing cooking, or we can actually get it to start at a certain time and finish at a certain time. I have a short video here that I'd like you to have a look at, and that explains the operation of this clock. And when we come back, we'll have a look at the rest of this unit. To set the time of day on the Falcon clock, we simply rotate the left-hand knob to the left clock position, and then rotate the right hand knob backwards and forwards until we achieve the time of day. Once we've done this, we simply release the knob to the center position and the time is set. We can set the minute minder by selecting the bell position and rotating the right hand knob until we get to the time that we wish it to count down. Remembering to turn the thermostat on in the oven will now shut off after the time that we've set. We can, of course, cancel this purely by rotating the knob to 0 and then rotating the left-hand button to the center position. We're now back to the normal time. We can select what we call forward programming by selecting the cook period time, and once we've done that, we rotate the left-hand knob round to the cook end time and put the time of day in we wish it to finish cooking. Once we've done this, we can select the knob around to auto, and that will give us the time of day currently. We can select back to the end cook time and see what time it's planned to finish. We can simply cancel this purely by rotating the left-hand knob to the center position or the manual position, and we now have just the time of day displayed. As you can see from that video, very simple to operate but very versatile. Now, moving down a little bit further, we have our open door grill. Now, this is a dual circuit grill with a grill rack on a telescopic rail, so very, very easy to use backwards and forwards, and again, dual circuit open door grill. Moving down a little bit further from that, we have our left-hand oven. Now, this left-hand oven is fan forced and it's 69 litres. And you'll notice first up that on the door we have what we call HandyRack. Now, HandyRack is a rack that is designed to take roasts and vegetables. It will hold up to 5.5 kilos, and it has 2 height settings for larger or smaller roasts, etc. The good thing about HandyRack is once we've actually put the meat and vegetables in there, we close the door, we cook. At certain stages we need to baste or turn the vegetables themselves. All we do is we open, we work on the food, and then we close the door again. We don't have to touch that food again until it's cooked and it's time to take it out. Of course, HandyRack can be removed completely, and then we have a very large multi-level oven which we can use, again 69 litre and fan forced. Over on the right hand side we have our tall oven. Again, 69 litre and fan force, but a taller oven, meaning that we can actually do multiple levels of different types of food being cooked all at the same time. So there we have it. That's the Professional Plus 90 centimetre induction upright range. For more information on the Falcon range, please visit our website at Andi-Co.com.au.